Good afternoon, Judy Allen here. Yes, we're starting a little bit late today, but hey, we got all technology issues squared away. Whoop whoop. So let's go down so you can see how it is to make easy peasy quick cards with this card kit. I love it. It's beautiful no matter what you do. All right, so today, as we go down the hands, I am going to be using some added card stock with this. I do this for my customers. I send them some coordinating card stock each month once it's been billed, and they get cardstock to coordinate. So if you missed this on Sunday, this is what we created on Sunday. And we also created an alternative that Miss Zoe kept for herself. So I don't have that with me, but that's okay. We can make more. So we're going to take one of the cardstocks that coordinate beautifully with this, and we're going to create an alternative. So here's the color that we're using. And all I'm going to do is fold this in half. And we're going to make a card base. And the card that I'm going to be making is we're going to be using this card right here, this card base. So when this base came, right, you just have this. And I'm going to size it down. So what I've done is I've just taken off 1/8 of an inch off every side so I can sit up here and center this right here on this card right here. So yes, if you're out there, say hello, and I would try to say hello back to you as well. So all we're going to do is put this down with adhesive. That's how beautiful that was. Look at that foil, okay? I want you to see that foil. So I don't really have to do anything because it's already there. So I'm going to use my tape runner because I like to save my dots as many as I can because I use them for other projects. But then this just allows me to do this a little bit faster for you as well too. So the key to this, using this tape runner, is just take your time, right? Take your time, and it goes on really easy. So we're just going to center this like right here. And I want to say this is pool party. It's very, very pretty. So all I'm doing now is these are actual die-cut vases that are in the kit. And what we're going to do is I'm going to put these over here, and I'm going to put some flat, and I'm going to put some up on dimensionals. And I'm just going to use 3 of them, right? So I'm going to put the larger white one. And you know what I think would be really cool? Is if you could just sort of color these just a little bit. I don't have a color right now to do it, but I want you to see how that's raised. So it's an already embossed die cut, comes in the kit. It'd be very easy to come across those raised areas with a sponge and sit there and give it some color. Let's see if I did that top. I did do that at the top. So I'm going to have to hold on pressing the top part down a moment because I shouldn't have done that because I got to put flowers in it, right? So what I'm going to do with the other 2 vases is I'm actually going to put one up on a large dimensional. And I'm just going to put it over here just right across the spot like this, right? You may have pots in your yard with flowers in it and all. And we're just going to do it like that. And this one here, if I see a handy dandy lower dimensional, I'm going to grab it. Yes, from a previous kit. Whoop, whoop. So this one I will, because it's small dimensionals. I'm still going to tuck some greenery in here, but I'm just going to sort of move them there because I know that I have to have a little bit of space to put my greenery in there. So we're going to put some greenery in here. And you're just going to see how easy it is to make some very quick, like I said, easy peasy cards. And here we go. Here's our foliage we're going to add in here. Actually, I don't think I have to do anything because I put adhesive on the top here. So I'm just going to put this here, and I'm going to put this here, and that'll hold it down. And then we're going to add some more greenery. So these are already die cut in the kit, and look at that gold on there. That gold is sparkling. So I'm going to take a glue dot here. And we'll get this on here. But this is just quick, easy peasy. Just sticking the stuff in here, right? That's all you gotta do. So I just have to find where I've got it down there. And you know what? If that doesn't work for me, here's the other thing. We're not gonna sweat the small stuff. This is small stuff in my book. You know what? If I didn't leave enough room so I could easily tuck it in there, just clip it off, all right? I assure you, the person I'm sending this to will not even care. All they're going to see is how beautiful, beautiful, beautiful the stuff is. Again, I'm just going to put a couple of blue dots, one on each of the bottom leaves, because I like the 3D effect, right? So that's the whole point of leaving the leaves loose, even though it's going in a card. When they open it up, they'll have these here. They'll be nice and loose looking. Again, it's not tucking down the way I wanted, so I'm just going to clip it off. Reminds me of floral. If you've ever done floral arranging, that's what it reminds me of. Just stick those flowers in them. Get them in here. All right, so these are going to be the last ones I'm going to add. I'm just going to add this with a glue dot here, too. Oop. So you guys might think, wow, she's like got a really short lesson today. Well, you know what the lesson is here today for you is things can be quick and easy and absolutely gorgeous, stunning, gorgeous. So if you don't learn anything today, learn that. Okay? We always think we have to be close to rocket science for things to be beautiful, and that is not true. And this kit surely proves that. Get that off right there. And we're just going to let it hang over a little bit, right? We'll put it right there. And there you go. Now the only thing we have to do is we have to stamp our sentiment. So actually this is colored cardstock, and normally I would put, sorry about that, I would put white cardstock on the inside, but I'm not going to do that today. I'm actually going to show you when we do something a little bit different. And plus it is light enough that I could write on it if I wanted to. Okay, that is not the one I was thinking of. All right, just a minute. I'll rotate over and clean that off. We'll get the other one I was thinking of. I thought I had it, but I did. That's okay, right? Now this kit did not come with bling, all right? So that's one thing. If you wanted to add bling, add your own bling. But I'm just here to tell you that just adding these flowers with all the gold on it makes it very pretty by itself, right? So let me just change out this here. I wanted to put, well, let's see, that's not the one I wanted. Let's see here, there's several here. You deserve the best. Well, let's see which one I thought I was having. You deserve the best. Okay, that was the one I was thinking of. And I pulled it. So actually what it is with this stamp, with this kit, you actually got 2 stamp sets. One was a free, which they do every year on their anniversary. And then you get the regular one you would have gotten anyway, right? Okay, so good. I didn't stamp that. We're going to ink this one here to call you friend. Let's see, I'm just making sure I got the right one. Because I can't read this one. Let's see here. You deserve the best. Okay, this is what I was wanting to call. You deserve the best. Right, because we got Mother's Day coming up. So there are a lot of moms. So a lot of people say, well, I don't have a mother and so forth. Well, you might have daughter-in-laws. You might have a friend that is a mother. Hopefully you have friend or friends that are mothers, right? Okay, so we're going to put this on the outside. I'm going to put this on with dimensionals, small dimensionals. And everything you need comes in the kit, right? So you just have to put the stuff together. Alright, so I'm going to put this right here at the top. And then on the inside, I'm going to take this tag here and I'm just going to put it down with some adhesive. Now if I wanted to put white or another color inside on here and just put a panel, I would do a 4 by 5 1/4. But all I'm going to do is this right here. And I'm going to send this to someone that is a wonderful mother. So you deserve the best. And then I'll write some little note and message in here. But that was very easy to create, right? All from the kit, with the exception that we added this right here, which I send to my paper pumpkin customers. I send them every month. So there you go. That is quick and easy. So for people that say they can't create or whatever excuse you may have, this is very easy to create. It's beautiful. You don't have to do anything except stuff something in the pots that's already die cut for you. It's already got gold foil on it. So there you go. So there's no reason why you can't make a Mother's Day card, a birthday card, a just because card, because it's too easy and it's too beautiful. All right? So with that, go out there, create, share, and give, right? And please be sure to follow us not only here on Facebook, but also on YouTube, where we post our videos, Instagram, where we sit there and post the photos, and Pinterest. I'm not sure what my techie posts out there, but we've got stuff out there, all right? So be blessed. Go out there, create, share, and give. And be sure to share this one as well, too. Bye.